think when you see a perfect strawberry in your grocery store? Just another piece of fruit, right? What if I told you that behind that single berry lies a technological revolution capable of harvesting 1 million strawberries per hour, generating $4 million in value daily? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in fields across California, where armies of robots are quietly transforming a $30 billion global industry. Join me as we uncover how these mechanical marvels are reshaping the way we feed the world, one berry at a time. Most people see strawberry fields and imagine workers bent over rows, carefully picking fruit by hand. But what they don't realize is that we've entered the age of precision agriculture, where silicone and steel have learned to identify ripeness better than human eyes. I witnessed these robotic harvesters in action, towering machines that glide through fields like mechanical whales, each equipped with dozens of cameras, artificial intelligence processors, and robotic arms that move with surgical precision. These aren't simple machines. Each robot costs between $400,000 and $800,000, packed with technology that can analyze color, firmness, and sugar content in milliseconds. They operate 24 hours a day during peak season, never tiring, never taking breaks. A single harvester can collect 8,000 pounds of strawberries per day. What would take 30 human workers? The economics are staggering. Farms using this technology report 40% increases in yield and 60% reduction in labor costs. But here's where it gets dangerous. What happens when these machines venture into the most challenging agricultural environments on Earth? In the coastal mountains of California, where temperatures can swing 40 degrees between day and night, robot harvesters battle conditions that would challenge any human worker. These machines must navigate slopes up to 20 degrees while maintaining perfect picking accuracy. Their sensors cutting through morning fog so thick you can barely see 10 feet ahead. I followed one crew operating in these extreme conditions, watching robots worth nearly $1 million each defying weather that grounds aircraft. The machines use thermal imaging to work in complete darkness, their LED arrays turning night into day as they systematically strip fields clean. Each robotic arm moves with the precision of a Swiss watch, capable of applying exactly 1.2 pounds of pressure, enough to detach the berry without bruising the fruit. The stakes couldn't be higher. A single programming error or sensor malfunction could destroy thousands of dollars of crops in minutes. Yet these crews push forward because the rewards justify the risks. During peak strawberry season, a single robot operating in these challenging conditions can generate $15,000 in harvested fruit per day. The danger isn't just environmental, it's economic. When machines this expensive conquer nature's extremes, they're literally printing money from the earth. thousands of miles away. In the fields of Salinas Valley, where generations of Mexican-American families have perfected the art of strawberry cultivation, tradition still reigns supreme. Here, I discovered something remarkable: human harvesters who can outpick any robot when it comes to the most delicate, premium berries destined for high-end markets. Maria Gonzalez, whose family has worked these fields for 4 generations, showed me techniques passed down through decades. Her experienced hands can assess 15 different quality factors in a single glance, detecting subtle variations in color gradient that even the most sophisticated AI struggles to recognize. She moves through rows with a rhythm that seems almost musical, filling a flat in under 3 minutes while selecting only berries that will command premium prices. These traditional harvesters earn up to $25 per hour during peak season, specializing in organic and heirloom varieties that robots simply cannot handle. The berries they select sell for $8 to $12 per pound in luxury markets, triple the price of machine-harvested fruit. Their work feeds an exclusive supply chain that values human judgment over mechanical efficiency, proving that sometimes the old ways create the highest value. But there's an even more exclusive tier of strawberry production that commands absolutely shocking prices. In specialized greenhouse facilities, robots work alongside human experts to cultivate what industry insiders call liquid gold, perfect strawberries grown for ultra-premium markets. These aren't ordinary berries. Each greenhouse strawberry requires 6 months of careful cultivation, with robots monitoring everything from soil pH to individual plant stress levels. The harvest process is so precise that robotic arms are programmed to approach each berry from a specific angle, ensuring the stem cut is clean enough to prevent any flavor degradation. I watched as workers packed these premium berries, each one inspected by both artificial intelligence and human quality control. The destination? Luxury hotels, Michelin-starred restaurants, and exclusive fruit boutiques in Tokyo and Dubai, where a single perfect strawberry can sell for $5. A pound of these premium berries commands up to $60 wholesale, making them more valuable per ounce than many precious metals. The most exclusive varieties, like the rare white pearl strawberries, sell at auction for $200 per dozen. These robots aren't just harvesting fruit, they're harvesting luxury itself. Yet this technological revolution faces profound challenges. Climate change is pushing traditional growing seasons to their limits, while water scarcity threatens California's agricultural dominance. Robot manufacturers are responding with innovations that seemed impossible just 5 years ago. Machines that can detect plant stress before visible symptoms appear, optimize water usage down to the milliliter, and even predict weather impacts on crop yield weeks in advance. The newest generation of harvesters uses 70% less water than traditional farming methods, while achieving 25% higher yields per acre. Solar panels power their operations, and their AI systems learn from millions of harvests, to become more efficient each season. But here's the crucial balance. As robots become more sophisticated, we must ensure they supplement rather than replace the human knowledge that has fed civilizations for millennia. The future isn't about choosing between tradition and technology. It's about creating harmony between silicon precision and human wisdom. So the next time you bite into a perfect strawberry, remember the incredible journey it took to reach you. Whether picked by robotic arms worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, or by hands that carry generations of knowledge, that berry represents one of humanity's greatest achievements, our ability to feed a growing world while pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from million-dollar machines harvesting in extreme conditions to traditional farmers creating liquid gold. The strawberry industry shows us that innovation and tradition can coexist. These stories remind us that behind every simple pleasure lies extraordinary human ingenuity and courage. What other hidden industries do you think shape our world in ways we never imagined? Comment below and subscribe for more stories that reveal the remarkable truth behind the ordinary.